सुस्वागतम दोस्तों, स्वागत है केओस क्लब के एक ब्रांड न्यू एपिसोड में। आज हमारे समक्ष जो 4 योद्धा हैं वो कंपीट करेंगे टू मेक अ 1 बिलियन टीम। लेट्स गो। रूल्स बड़े सिंपल है हमारे पास। राइट पे रोनाल्डो, लेफ्ट पे मेसी है। मैं बोलूंगा ऑक्शन, दे विल बिड 110 फॉर द प्लेयर एंड मेक देयर टीम। फॉर्मेशंस हर किसी के 4-2-3 बने। कोई दिक्कत नहीं। मैंने इनको प्लेयर्स की लिस्ट दे रखी है, इनके पास प्लेयर्स की लिस्ट है। प्लेयर स्पिन व्हील होगा, बेसिकली वील गेट एवरी पोजीशन पे आई नेम अ प्लेयर एंड दे विल ऑक्शन बिडिंग हु। जिसकी टीम सबसे बढ़िया होगी वो तुम डिसाइड करोगे। ऑफ कोर्स दे विल विन एंड ऑफ कोर्स मैं भी डिसाइड करूंगा किसकी टीम बढ़िया होगी। ऑफ कोर्स व्हाई नॉट, क्योंकि बायस तो नहीं है। सबसे बड़ी नपुंसक ना सॉरी सबसे बड़े योद्धा कौन है बेसिकली फुटबॉल के, जिनकी नॉलेज काफी अच्छी है। सबसे पहले 4 बंदे, वी हैव टू मेक अ टीम। मेरे सामने एक बॉल है, कोई मैं हाथ हिलाता हूं, यू नो नॉर्मल फुग्गे मारता हूं, नो प्रॉब्लम दोस्तों। एंड सबसे पहला नाम मेरे समक्ष जो आता है, दिस इज अ टीम ए और मे बी टीम रोनाल्डो। ठीक है, मार्कर Okay. How do you feel, my dost?
I mean, I fear I'm going to be second again.
And जो दूसरे कैप्टन है टीम मेसी के, you know, his name is officially.
Imagine.
मोहक 1MFC.
Wow.
I think ये वीडियो प्राइवेट तो नहीं होने वाली। अभी ये वीडियो प्राइवेट।
I think it would be funny. It would be funny. Let me and Vinayak be team Ronaldo. Let him and me. Come on.
I decide.
Okay.
जो बाकी 2 पर्ची है वो करेंगे ना डिसाइड।
What if चौंकी? What if?
तो मार्का की टीम यानी कि टीम रोनाल्डो में।
I'm manifesting Chonky. I'm manifesting.
टीम रोनाल्डो में we get चौंकी। What?
Can you please
शिफ्ट करो।
भाई चौंकी आ जा।
And we have 1 MUFC एक टीम में, we have GG MUFC।
GG
What is that दोस्तों?
हाला GGMU।
Exactly. रूल्स बड़े सिंपल है। वी हैव ऑन द लेफ्ट टीम रोनाल्डो, टीम राइट पे है टीम मेसी, नो प्रॉब्लम। दे बोथ कंपीट, दे बोथ कंपीट टू मेक द बेस्ट टीम। बजट 1 बिलियन है भाई, तमीज से करना, बनियों की तरह प्रॉपर मैं कह रहा हूं। आज तो बार्गेनिंग कर रहा हूं मैं, भी ठीक है दोस्तों।
भाई मार्का, दिस इज द प्लेयर लिस्ट।
जो भी पोजीशन आएगी
मैं बोल रहा हूँ
उसके हिसाब से प्लेयर
सिंपल है।
ठीक है, मान लो गोलकीपर आया,
ये जैसे आएंगे ना, जहाँ जब यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं, समझ रहे तू, जब यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं,
ठीक है, तो इसमें जो 2 अपने 150 अगर वही अपने, ठीक है, उस पे बैंक जाएंगे, हम मैक्सिमम बढ़ के अपन क्या करते हैं 150 इनका बजट 130 सही है, 130 सही है,
मस्त। आ जाओ,
बट अपने को देखना पड़ेगा कि
बस भाई आ जाओ कती।
Ready, we are ready.
तो रोनाल्डो, वी स्पिन द व्हील फॉर द पोजीशन। हमारी फर्स्ट पोजीशन फॉर दिस होल गेम, वी स्पिन द व्हील। घूम जा भाई। हाँ, द फर्स्ट पोजीशन जो हमारे समक्ष है इज अ सेंटर फॉरवर्ड। To begin with, the first player जो bidding के लिए available है, the first player who's available for bidding is Alexander Isak for 60 million. Alexander Isak for 60 million.
60 million
Team Ronaldo, what do you say? What do you feel about Alexander
मार्का,
Isak?
तुझे पता है, कंसिडर हिम टू बी द वन ऑफ द बेस्ट सेंटर फॉरवर्ड्स गेम में करंटली।
पर
60 million।
yes, 60 million, yes.
पर he lacks the, you know,
They want 65.
मार्का को 65।
They want 65, okay? We want to up it. Team Ronaldo.
नीच कम थोड़ी करेगा।
अरे नीच तो है।
डन। 80
million. Team Ronaldo goes for Alexander Isak. मेरे दोस्त, wow, they want him. They love some BBC up front. क्या? 80 million for
तुम्हारे बस की नहीं है।
Isak and Ronaldo. Do you want to up it?
We let them have Isak for it.
We let them have them. Even Isak, Team Ronaldo gets Isak.
It's a banger.
It's a banger.
It's a banger, bro. It's a
For
banger.
80 million, they get a informed Premier League Newcastle forward. You know, hold on, that's a big thing. That's a big thing. Okay, 80 million. Center forward sorted for Team Ronaldo. Now, second position के लिए we spin the wheel again, मेरे दोस्तों. And here we go. Second position कौन सी होगी हमारे समक्ष? And it is right back. We have a right back in the market. काफी अच्छे right backs हैं आजकल फुटबॉल के जगत में. I will give you a बहुत ही प्यारा name right back का. And the right back जो मेरे को दिख नहीं रहा. And the right back we have available is
Who let Vasquez in?
none other than Carvajal. Dani Carvajal.
शुरुआत
Base price?
Base price 65 million for a Euros winner and La Liga winner Carvajal.
65 million.
60. You're out.
66 million.
No, we are out.
What do you mean 66?
We are out. We are out.
नहीं, bid आ
We are out.
गई है. Bid आ गई है.
We are
Bid आ
out.
गई है.
दोस्तों,
Bid
your
आ
team
गई है.
Ronaldo. Why
Bid
not?
आ गई है.
We are out.
We are out. We are out. We are out.
No, it wasn't a bit. We are out.
Okay, they're out. 65 million for Carvajal done. 65, 3, 2. Do you want to up it? No.
No, we don't.
Sold to team Messi. Carvajal goes to team Messi right back. Okay. अभी तक team Messi के पास right back Carvajal and center forward for team Ronaldo. Now we spin the wheel again for a new position मेरे दोस्तों. And वो position आती है none other than a चटपटी center midfield position. Base of the team. बहुत important.
Now this is interesting.
This is interesting. And we have none other than Joshua Kimmich for 70 million. Joshua Kimmich for 70 million.
Marcus
Bayern
Zomskis.
Munich, what a season he played. Top
70.
70 million.
We have to bid.
70 million team Messi goes. Do you want to up it? Team Ronaldo.
जाएंगे भाई हम. Kimmich
70 million 3.
We'll go for
75 million.
75 million team Ronaldo. Can you up it team Messi?
अगर हम 400 भी खर्च करें.
Important.
80 million.
85 million.
अरे भाई ओए
ओ वो घूम गया ऐसे ही. कहीं और
85 million for team Ronaldo. Do you want to? अरे इधर देखो तू. 85 million for team. 85 million 3.
90 million.
Kimmich की काफी डिमांड है दोस्तों. Messi, team Messi goes 90 million for Kimmich. 90 Kimmich. 3.
90.
ओए 200-300 रुपए के लिए लड़ रहा
भाई
है.
इतना
91 and 2 cents.
No.
95. We go for 95.
95.
Yep.
For are we pushing 100 million team Messi?
We
Are we
can,
pushing 100 million for
if
Kimmich?
required, we can play him right back. If required, we can play him in midfield.
Exactly, by
We are
the-
getting two positions in one. They have a right back.
95 3. 95 2. 95 1. Sold to team
Banger.
Ronaldo. Kimmich.
That's a banger.
Kimmich
the
goes
best
to team
midfielders
Ronaldo.
in the world.
You have got Isaac number, right? Kimmich midfield. Bhai, damn, hold on. It looks good.
Compared to their Carvajal, who's 35,000 years old. I'll be happy, bhai. I'll be happy.
Euros.
No
I'll
issues.
be
No
happy,
issues.
bhai.
UCL minus.
No issues.
No issues, ठीक है. For the new position, we spin the wheel again. Only one player in your team and दो तुम्हारी टीम में. The next position we have is center midfield again.
Wow.
Center midfield again. Considering
important.
4-2-3-1 खेल रहा है, I think we need. And the second midfielder we have is Federico Valverde for 80 million.
100.
Federico 100 million team Messi. Valverde. Oh,
भैया कच्चे
young Uruguayan कट्टे, you know those.
We're going 105.
105 million team Ronaldo.
110.
Are we breaking the bank for Valverde? 110 million 3.
115.
मैं बात तो कर ले.
I agree.
We don't need to. We don't need to.
110 million.
15.
Team Ronaldo.
115.
115 million team Ronaldo.
Absolutely.
115 3. 115 2.
120.
120.
120. भाई तुमको चाहिए उसे desperately. 120. Team Messi 3.
But we need little time. Little time. अरे थोड़ा सा
Take 2.
ना रुक जाओ.
How much?
110 million.
20.
ओए बिकावा ये.
ना. 120 million team Messi 3. 2.
We'll let them have it.
But sold Valverde. Federico Valverde.
They're beating Real Madrid.
ये क्या रहा भाई? What is happening? Valverde is winning. भाई that's a top signing मेरे दोस्तों. तो टीम दोनों टीम looks very crispy आज के दिन.
We have no issues.
We have no issues at all,
काफी
bhai.
equal
We've got
habits.
technique on our
For a
side.
new position दोस्तों. For a new position. Can we have a goalkeeper also? The new position is left back. Left back. अभी तक right back आ चुका but no left back. And left back if we look in the market जो available है is Alejandro Balde for 65 million euros. 65 team Messi goes for Balde. He's a Barca player, he's a top.
ना रुक जा, पूछ तो ले.
75.
75 for team Ronaldo. Balde, okay, makes sense. That's a strong player.
We go for 80 million.
We go for 80 million. Team Messi go for Balde.
Simple as Marca. इनकी औकात बची नहीं है, खत्म होने वाले हैं। 90 इनकी औकात नहीं है,
90
औकात ही
million
ठीक है,
team
मतलब
Ronaldo
औकात ही
Balde,
नहीं है,
ठीक है,
औकात ही
हमारी
नहीं है,
है।
हाँ औकात ही नहीं है, नहीं है।
Ronaldo 90 million Balde 3-2 but sold. Team Ronaldo gets Balde left back.
No complaints at all.
Pacing through.
No complaints.
Maybe the best left back, world best champion.
जीतने के बाद जीतने के बाद करना
भाई
जीतने के बाद
भाई जज ये पूरे टाइम से इनकी टीम हम पे वो कर रही है, लॉन्च नहीं लगा रही है, कमेंट्स पास कर रही है इस पर।
we talk after winning bro. We talk
Order 34 किलो 2 किलो पाउडर नहीं
अभी सिर्फ टीम मेसी का सर गिरा है।
ये ब्लूपर बहुत सही है।
अब हमको मेसी को बहुत ध्यान से मूव करना है।
भाई तू क्यों खटका रहा है उसको? ठीक है भाई तू क्या कर रहा है?
भाई टेढ़ी नजर
भाई टीम मेसी यही हालत होनी है तुम्हारी, देख लो हेड लॉस, यू गाइस आर गोना हैव अ हेड लॉस।
भाई I don't hate Messi. I don't hate Messi. ये कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं
भाई
दोस्तों।
उसे टुंडा है वो। ठीक कर दे भाई।
यस मार रहा हूं।
चलो
यश
चलो
बॉस, अगर तू असली आदमी है ना तो दोबारा से राइट बैक का सर्च देगा, अगर तू असली स्पिनर है,
Spin will tell that.
असली स्पिनर है तो देगा।
We spin the wheel again, and the new position we have is right center back. Right center back. You need center backs of the team. The name we have available for right center back is none other than a top
Van Dijk.
Virgil van Dijk for 100 million. Virgil van Dijk for 100 million. 100 million team Messi goes for Virgil van Dijk. $100 million team Messi goes for. Bhai, that's a captain. That's a captain, leader, legend. Liverpool. Come on. Slash me.
ओए भाई जब साहब
ये क्या हो रहा है
भाई? ये स्पीनिंग का टीम भाई,
Who's doing
He's leading a team.
And we deduct nothing. Messi.
अरे पैसे डिडक्ट करना
भाई हम तो पैसे पकड़ा नहीं दे, पैसे पकड़ा ऐसे हम
पैसे दे।
यहाँ पे कानून अंधा है
भाई कैन यू शुड
100 million for Van Dijk.
अरे बोल तो दिए
बोला
थे।
तो 100 मिलियन चाचा
Again no. Verified.
team Ronaldo, do you want to up it? That's Van Dijk. That's Van Dijk, you know. That is Virgil. He's not virgin, but he's Virgil.
105
105 बिरयानी hold on, बिरयानी की बात
Zomato में देख रहे थे ना।
Okay. 105 million team Ronaldo goes for Van Dijk. They already have Balde.
एग्जैक्टली हमारी
That's why they're doing good.
106 नहीं 5 यार 5
बढ़ा
हाँ यार मिनिमम 5 बढ़ा था।
110 solid team goes. Messi team goes for Van Dijk. 110 million. My goodness gracious me.
बिल्डिंग
They're
टीम ऑफ
going
चैंपियंस। भाई देख अपन टीम ऑफ चैंपियंस हम टीम ऑफ चैंपियंस बना रहे हैं।
Okay, fair enough. We have some good
We're gonna be out.
You wanna be out?
110 million and sold. Team Messi के पास Van Dijk आज
अरे बुड्ढे कलेक्ट करो यार, तुम करते रहो यार, करते रहो।
Van Dijk is
Van Dijk is
5,000 years old.
What do you mean?
Exactly.
Carvajal, Van Dijk, really?
That's some hairy team.
Really?
That's a hairy team.
Bro, wait. Bhai, we'll go. Bhai, देख. I know what we're doing. Bro. I know what we're doing.
We are cooking.
Like Isak cooked Van Dijk.
Exactly.
He cooked Van Dijk.
team young.
Isak cooked Van Dijk.
ठीक है।
Ate him roasted.
You have finished.
अभी
Isak or
उसका
Balde.
बाप आ रहा है।
65.
Solid. Hold on.
We are going good, bro.
But I'm not biased, you know.
Spin the wheel of fortune.
Spin the wheel or for the new position.
राइट बैक दे दे, असली आदमी
spin the wheel.
राइट बैक दे दे,
स्ट्राइकर दे
चौथा player
स्ट्राइकर दे।
राइट बैक दो यार।
And we have hold on, left centre back. We have left centre back.
Okay.
Somebody will complete their centre back partnership. Left centre back is none other than
मुगले?
Inigo Martinez for 60 million.
भाई
60 million.
60 million.
क्या?
60 million.
60 million.
अबे किसी का
Inigo
साथ-
Martinez.
60 million.
60 million.
60 million team Ronaldo goes for Inigo Martinez.
65.
70.
75.
80.
रुक जा भाई सांस ले।
Hold on, 80 million. 80, okay. Hey, he's Buddha also. Is he not? But he's a top Buddha, of course. I like them Buddhas.
भाई इनिगो मार्टिनेज आई थिंक टीम में होना चाहिए।
मतलब हमारी में तो होगा ऑब्वियसली बात है।
सब्सक्राइब करो, ऐसे सब्सक्राइब करो, बात इसे सब्सक्राइब करो भाई। 85 में कितना?
85 में कितना? 85 में पूरा इनिगो चाहिए हमें।
पूरा ही
85.
मिलेगा भाई, उसका लेफ्ट हैंड ही मिलेगा, सिर्फ पूरा मिलेगा।
90
Let them have
90
it.
million for
We are
Inigo
out.
Martinez.
We are out.
We are out.
But
I don't
Inigo
complain, I don't
Martinez to Team Ronaldo. They have their backline complete, right? No, they are not.
Left back or left center or like club का pairing.
Moving on to the new position, दोस्तों. New position. Hold on. Things are getting very interesting and budget tight होता जा रहा है. हमारे पास. Hold on. Okay, I think somebody will complete their back. Right center back. We have right center back available and जो available नाम है वो है Harry Maguire for 40 million euros. Harry Maguire for 40 million euros.
100 million का वेंडा है, 40 million का Maguire.
The game is
बेस प्राइस बढ़ाओ भाई, बढ़ाओ भाई।
We are out.
We appeal।
भाई 40 से ऊपर नहीं होगा ना।
बढ़ा दो ना, बेस प्राइस बढ़ा दो।
भाई
बढ़ा दो बेस प्राइस।
डर गए। चिराग ने दिया, मैंने नहीं दिया। Harry Maguire is a good ball. Chonky. You don't like Maguire? Chonky like Maguire?
I like Maguire and he's a great player.
Shut up यार, move on.
Maguire for 40 million.
No.
Get out of here.
भाई
You budget.
We have $1 billion budget.
Yeah, bro.
Do you want Maguire?
We'll see.
Mr. One in UFC. Do you want Maguire? Your captain.
नहीं ले लिया ऑलरेडी।
क्या ले लिया?
हमने वैन डाइक ले लिया भाई। लड़ाई होगी वैन डाइक मैगवायर में। अब
ओके तो मैगवायर पास होता है मेरे दोस्त। मैं सहता नहीं। मुंबई में आया भी है। बता मुंबई में ये देखने आया।
पास नहीं हुआ, फेल हो गया।
ना भाई।
इसी ऑप्शन
For the new position मेरे दोस्त, get ready. We spin the wheel again.
Come on.
And we get center midfielder again. Center midfielder again we get, and now center midfield के लिए मेरे को एक और पन्ना घुमाने दो. We have got none other than smart.
Please.
Pedri Gonzalez. 95 million euros.
95 million euros.
115 मिलियन यूरो।
115 million for Pedri. Oh my God, Pedri, the most informed midfielder of world football में time पे. Come on दोस्तों, I'll suck him dry.
130.
130
million और
135
million.
135 for Team Messi for Pedri Gonzalez. Wow, what a play pass. ये देखो क्या हो रहा है. 140.
यार ये अगर मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्या बोल रहे हैं।
Pedri जिस भी टीम में जाएगा, I think that's a big advantage.
They will.
You know, football fans love Pedri.
140. चुप हो जाओ.
A beardless young guy.
बंद करो.
भाई मैं केमिस्ट्री भी काउंट होती है क्या? भाई I think we got
140 million 3, 140 million 2,
पता नहीं.
140 million 1.
Bargain, bro.
They have a midfield of Kimmich and Pedri. Can I just jack off यहाँ पे?
Bro, we're winning, bro. We are winning. No complaints at all. We थोड़ा slipped up.
They have a team Messi and Ronaldo.
थोड़ा slipped up.
We move on
we recovered.
to Team Messi. कैसे करेगी भाई इससे compensate? ये देखने को बहुत important है. We move to new position. Spin the wheel again. And जो नई position हमारे समक्ष है वो है a right center back again. किसको center back?
They don't need.
क्यों मैंने चाहिए? Okay, but hold on. The right center back we have in the market इस चीज के लिए मेरे दोस्तों is Marquinhos PSG का Champions League finalist, maybe a winner. No, of course a winner maybe. But maybe not. We don't know. हम before record कर रहे हैं Champions League finalist. Marquinhos for 60 million.
60 million.
60 million team Ronaldo goes for Marquinhos. Do you want to do anything? He can play CDM also. He has played CDM before.
Yeah, yes, multiple positions.
That's a multiple position.
क्योंकि we can put Kimmich as right back, him in midfield. Yeah, bro.
We can try multiple things.
Yeah, multiple positions.
लेकिन कोई मिडफील्डर आएगा, हम अपने पास तो नाम नहीं बचेंगे, अपना नाम नहीं बचेंगे। अगर LCB हमें खिला
सस्ते में काम है, बजट हमारे पास फॉरवर्ड के लिए बजट बचेगा।
Very smart approach.
हमारा approach है get the best attacker.
60 million for Marquinhos to Team Ronaldo and they get it 3-2-1 sold to Team Ronaldo. Marquinhos हो ज़्यादा शोर नहीं आया
Attacker के लिए पैसे.
Brazilian center back है भाई, क्या हो गया? Moving on to the next position, spin the wheel again मेरे दोस्तों, and now we get a center midfielder again. I think Team Messi needs a midfielder. इनकी team has, but you can play एक और midfielder.
Exactly,
why not?
we can.
Center midfield के लिए the player we have available is Enzo Fernandez for 50 million euros.
भाई Marquinhos for 60 Enzo Fernandez.
ये क्या बात है?
What the heck is this man?
50 million.
50 million for
भाई we just
Enzo
got scammed.
70 million.
70 million for Enzo, but you have he can play attacking midfield.
वैसा
Yeah.
गुड
No, we will play Pedri as attacking midfielder.
Yeah, exactly. He can. They can. Bro, 70 million.
Enzo and Kimmich can
the best passers in the world.
75 million.
75 million.
We go 80, bro. No doubt.
No doubt.
Are you going?
Yeah,
क्या
bro.
मैं अटैकिंग के लिए खर्च नहीं करूँ?
Enzo Fernandez said the N word.
85.
Why you going for 85?
ना 80 बोला है.
80.
80 million. Team Ronaldo goes for Enzo. 80 million 3.
85 million.
85. Oh my goodness. Enzo इतना प्यार डिजर्व नहीं करता भाई वो. और तुम तो काले ही पहन रखा है.
We are out.
85 million.
Come on.
3, 85 million 2, 85 million. One sold to Team Messi. Enzo Fernandez.
Good job getting a Conference League winner. Congratulations.
तुम्हारे मिडफील्ड में कौन-कौन है? Enzo और
Valverde और Enzo.
Enzo and
भाई चिराग सर
Pedri and Kimmich.
बताओ.
भाई बता कमेंट्स अभी लिख दो कमेंट्स में.
We spin the wheel for the new position. Spin the wheel. Who do you want? The position.
I want winger भाई. I want
You want
wingers.
winger?
I want.
Are you a left wing or right wing?
I need a right winger.
Bench पे bench.
Don't cancel him. Okay, we have attacking midfielder. Okay, hold on. A 4-2-3-1 attacking midfielder is बहुत ज़्यादा important होता है. And the player we get is Florian Wirtz for 80 million. Florian Wirtz.
80 million euros.
80 million. Oh, that's a banger player. Florian Wirtz. जिसके टीम में yeah, my God. They're getting them through balls. Florian Wirtz, Team Messi 3. 80 million 2.
We're going for 100 million.
105 million.
105 million for इतना लिवरपूल नहीं फेंक दिया 105 million for Florian Wirtz. Team Messi चाहती है. That is the guy who finds his forwards in terrible positions.
कौन-कौन है? Words.
Van Dijk है.
Midfielder
Enzo.
और कौन सा?
Team
बड़ा attacking midfielder.
team कितना पैसा लिखा? 85.
105.
105.
105 for Team Messi. 105 for Team Messi 3. 105 for Team Messi 2. And 105 sold. Florian Wirtz sold to Team
Bundesliga
Messi.
player of the season.
Divyansh and Vanem, why they might be cooking यहाँ पे with the midfield of Enzo.
Florian Wirtz, Enzo and Valverde.
My goodness, that's a top midfield दोस्तों. Moving on to the next
Play on the wing as well.
position. Team Ronaldo चिंतित है इस टाइम पे. Are they?
No, not at all.
Not at all. We spin the wheel again.
Give me a winger for the love of God.
Goalkeeper. बहुत important goalkeeper. We need goalkeepers. And the goalkeeper we have available सबसे पहले is Alisson Becker for 75 million.
75 for a goalkeeper भाई. This guy is
he's a top player.
But
What
too
do you mean,
expensive
man?
है यार.
Alisson, I personally love him. You know, I have spent nights with him.
75.
75 team Ronaldo wants Alisson की 75 million 3.
We'll let them have it.
75 million 2 and 75 million goalkeeper. Alisson, top
One of the
goalkeeper.
best.
One of the best goalkeeper prime में sold to team Ronaldo. They have goalkeepers sorted. Moving on to the next position. Moving on to the next position. ओए, यहाँ पे you can't. This is not legal. What do you mean? How is it bullying me यहाँ? But क्या? Moving on to new position. Spin the wheel again मेरे दोस्तों.
Give me a winger man.
You want a winger?
I want
left
a
winger, right winger. जल्दी
Left
बता.
winger.
And we get a center midfielder again. I think
Okay, yeah, no.
center
We wanna
midfielder
hear-
again. The center
we wanna hear
midfielder
it.
we have available, मेरे दोस्तों, is Carlos Henrique Casemiro for 45 million euros. Carlos
भाई
Henrique
Casemiro for 45. Harry Maguire was for 40.
Casemiro is the championship winner. What do you mean by that?
He should be 70.
But Carlos Henrique is 33 years old. What do you mean by that?
We move.
You don't want my
भाई look at these guys. दोनों की टीम्स में खेला है.
हमें खेलने का सेंटर कहाँ खिलाएं? Okay भाई. They miss and they skip Carlos Henrique Casemiro. Sad for him, you know. I think you know. काफी rich in my rowing. उस पेड़ को
जैसे कपड़े फाड़ देंगे.
But that's how it is. For a new position, we spin the wheel
स्ट्राइकर दे दे.
again. अरे इस पे आएगा ना. मैं टॉलरेट करता हूँ भाई. मैं फेयर हूँ यहाँ पे. Oh my God! चौंकी का सपना पूरा हो चुका. We get a right winger.
Let's
right
go, get in.
winger and we get 120 million for
क्या?
Lamine Yamal.
120 million.
The best.
What do you say?
120 million. 125 million.
25 for मैं चुप रहूंगा. तुम 125 for team Messi. Lamine Yamal. बोलने की नीड नहीं. Team Ronaldo wants it. Team Messi wants 125. Team Ronaldo 125.
कितना? 135.
125, 125, 135 million team Messi wants. Okay.
140.
140. Are they breaking the bank for Lamine Yamal? That's a 17-year-old teenager who loves the ball. He drives it so well, mere dosto. He caresses it. 140 million for Lamine Yamal. 3, 2,
145.
145 team Messi wants. I think team Messi ko need Yamal ki, because they have an old team, and when they get a young player, the old players get charged up.
We don't have Benzema.
145 million team Messi. 3, 150 million. I think ye bhai.
We are out.
We are out.
We are out.
Let them have it.
Oh my God! 150 million ka Lamine Yamal. Is he the most expensive player pure draw mein? Honestly, bhai,
चलो
I can't get up.
चलो
It'll be uncomfortable for me. But khair.
चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
Team, we spin the wheel again for new position, dosto. Spin the wheel, and we get a right back. A right back. Kis team ke paas nahi hai right back? Team Ronaldo doesn't have a right back, dosto. And the right back we have available in the market is Ashraf Hakimi for 70 million.
70 million.
75 million.
75 million wants team Messi. They want the right
75
back.
million.
75
You
million.
have Carvajal.
So what?
लेफ्ट बैक खिला देंगे.
हकीमी तो लेफ्ट बैक खेल
आएगा
सकता
विंग पे
है.
खिला देंगे. बाहर बैठा देंगे.
Okay, okay, hold on. Okay.
लेफ्ट बैक का खेलता है किमी. Right.
75.
Right footed left back.
What do you mean?
हम खिला
What world are we living in?
I mean, you know,
What world are we
he's a
living
top
in?
player. He's a top player.
They are going bankrupt.
75 million Hakimi team Messi wants him. Right back. They have a right back already.
80. We don't mind 80.
80. You need a right back. You need a
Yeah,
right
yeah.
back.
We are out.
80 million.
We are out.
Cool. 80 million
Absolutely cool.
Hakimi. Hakimi goes to team Ronaldo. Wow, their team is looking sharp. Wow.
I thought
They have Lamine Yamal and Hakimi same thing pick.
Bro, Lamine, Balde and Hakimi fullbacks.
Oh my
बहुत
God.
बढ़िया.
But who's defending?
बहुत
Who's defending?
Inigo
and
Marquinhos.
Kimmich.
Champions League finalist Kimmich.
I'm not biased यहाँ पे. I'm just giving a.
जब हम
70% पोजीशन बॉल रखो अपने पास.
ऐसे मैनिपुलेट कर सकते हो.
What are you
भाई,
telling,
मैं कोट करूँ.
एक सेकंड. Who do they have to attack? हाँ किससे? कार्वाहल के ओवरलैप एशियल के बाद. What are they getting? What are they attacking?
कार्वाहल
अभी तक
जब प्लेयरों का
अगर as a judge मेरी ओपिनियन अभी तक है कि भाई I think team Ronaldo looks very good.
बहुत strong.
वो इसलिए क्योंकि अभी जब अटैकर के आएंगे ना तो
ठीक है,
पैसे भी
कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. ये एक एम्बाप्पे
There
ले
are
लेंगे.
some spicy players
एक
available.
हालैंड देख ले लो.
चलो
भाई.
चलो.
Moving on to new position दोस्तों, अब मामला heated होता जा रहा है and काफी critical time पे पहुंच रहा है. We have a left back to complete the backline काफी टीमों की, and the left back we have available market पे is Nuno Mendes for 70 million.
70 million euros.
70 million.
Nuno Mendes for 70 million euros. Team Messi wants.
Yeah, he can play winger. 80.
He can play. Okay,
Yeah, he can
they're
play
charging on the BBC
85.
of Nuno Mendes 85 million for Team Messi. Damn.
90,
90 bro.
They can have it.
They can have it.
Yeah.
We'll take.
90 million.
We'll take.
90 million.
Cool. Okay.
90 million 2, 90 million 1, and
They have Nuno Mendes.
Oh my God, we are sold.
Exactly.
sold.
चलो.
Nuno Mendes 90 million.
And we use it. And we use
Ronaldo.
Him here?
exactly.
But मेरे दोस्तों, you have.
Wow.
Hold on.
They
You
have
have
a
two left.
jackpot.
You have two left backs.
Yeah. No. We'll tell you, bro.
90 करूँ ऐड.
Cole Palmer for 75 million euros.
75.
75 million.
हमारे 50 बचे.
140 बोला.
75 डालिए हमने.
Cole Palmer.
75 million Cole Palmer. Team Messi wants. Wow. You have Palmer. You have.
भाई I want to talk to him बात. I want to talk. कुछ दूसरी कोई चीज़ है important. 1 मिनट के लिए. गलत लिमिट बता दी भाई हमें.
तो टीम रोनाल्डो काफी गंभीर स्थिति में, बेसिकली उनके पास एक प्लेयर की पोजीशन बची है बस. मीनवाइल टीम मेसी को 5 प्लेयर्स फिर से चाहिए. दैट्स अ वेरी क्रिटिकल.
11 बनाना.
6 प्लेयर चाहिए.
6 प्लेयर्स फिर से चाहिए. माय गॉड, तुम क्या करते हो यहाँ पे?
भाई हम देख टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हैं.
दे वेस्ट.
Wasting time. Viewers का time waste.
अगेन
Sir, आपका time waste कर रहे हैं.
अगेन We spin the wheel again. We spin the wheel again, दोस्तों. Critical time. Will the spinning wheel favor anybody? And we've got goalkeeper. They need a goalkeeper. You don't. And the goalkeeper we have available अभी के लिए is Andre Onana. Andre Onana for 45 million euros.
नहीं चाहिए.
नहीं चाहिए Andre Onana.
नहीं चाहिए.
He's a ball playing
सेंटर बैक. गोलकीपर नहीं है, बॉल प्लेइंग सेंटर बैक.
अभी वो मलेशिया के बस परेड में है, अभी नहीं आ सकता वो
इंडिया आया था
भाई.
अरे बस पर वो बाईपास.
और आई विल से इसकी BLM इन द कमेंट सेक्शन हो जाना चाहिए
भाई. कमेंट्स बता, अगर दोबारा गोलकीपर नहीं आया ना, और नहीं आएगा क्योंकि आई नो द फ्यूचर. रिमेंबर यू नो शेट फॉर.
भाई जब तक मेरा पॉइंट है, आप गोलकीपर कब तक नहीं
आया. अरे भाई अगली पिक में ले लेंगे ना. अब ओनाना नहीं आ सकता. मान ले नहीं आया गोलकीपर, तो सेंटर बैक खिलाना पड़ेगा. गोलकीपर नहीं आ सकता ना. क्यों नहीं
आएगा? मुक्तेश एक मैच
इतना वेट यार.
आएगा. ये
We'll see.
तू अपनी बात पे खड़ा रहे.
Moving on to the new मैं खड़ा हूँ. Moving on to the new position. दोस्तों we spin the wheel again. घूम जा. Spin the wheel again.
क्या आ रहा है?
And we have the position. Right winger. Right winger. जो player right wing पे available है for us.
देख.
Is
साका.
Bukayo Saka for 80 million euros. Bukayo Saka for 8. That's a player who scored in the Bernabeu.
They can take it.
That's a banger player. Bukayo Saka.
वो लंबी वाला लेफ्ट
Maybe
विंग पे
one of the
खाली है.
best right wingers in the world.
कितना बोला?
80 million for
Lamine falls 9 खेल सकता.
80
skip?
million.
He is saying we put Lamine on number 10.
They are skipping.
We're skipping. अभी हम Florian
They skipped for Bukayo. Team Messi doesn't want Bukayo Saka. They rejected Onana and now they reject
We
Saka.
have a-
What is happening here?
वो क्या कहते हैं असल वाले? We have a bigger fish to fry.
And Moxer would know more about it. Moxer को पता होगा of course.
United वाला Arsenal.
Team Messi do not want Saka 80
But
million.
they're wasting everybody's time, भाई.
ना you are wasting our
They're wasting
time.
everybody's time. हमारी तो टीम बन चुकी है.
वही तो दिख रही है.
ठीक है. So but Bukayo Saka you skip for 80 million euros. They don't want
कीपर
right
भाई
winger.
कीपर स्किप कर दिए, लेफ्ट बैक स्किप कर दिए, राइट विंगर स्किप कर
I think
दिए.
यार यहाँ हो रही है रॉबरी. ठीक है. The fact कि यहाँ पर अगली बार तीसरी बार जब राइट विंगर आएगा
साला
तो
नहीं
वो
आएगा.
साला नहीं बोलेगा. ठीक है. तो मेरे को लगता है we go for 80 million.
80 million ठीक
We
है.
spin the wheel again दोस्तों. अब मामला बहुत ही sweaty होता जा रहा है. I'm feeling some sweat inside. But that's not important because we have a center forward available market में. Center forward we have Kylian Mbappe for 120 million
120 million
euros.
120
He can
million.
play multiple positions.
Our budget is 140.
Yes.
120 million euros. Team Messi want him. Mbappe, you can't say no to Mbappe. You don't say no to
We
Mbappe.
can make it happen.
He can play multiple
We have many
positions.
defenders.
He
many
is
players who
not
can defend.
committed.
You
He went to Sweden एक बार, of course.
We can do it.
But Team Messi wants Mbappe 120 million 3,
कुछ और कर सकते हैं.
120 million 2,
नुनो इधर डाल देंगे.
120 million
125.
130 million.
130.
130 million Mbappe.
135.
भाई मैं तो कह रहा हूँ सारे लगा दो उसके बाद कोई प्लेयर नहीं इसका बेस प्राइस 5 मिलियन होगा.
135 million team Ronaldo wants
140
Mbappe.
million.
140 तुम्हारा तो
अब बिड नहीं कर सकते.
अबे नलके से बाहर
बिड नहीं कर सकते.
नलके भाई नलका भर गया तुम्हारा. Cool. 100 cool.
No problem.
140.
140
Still
million.
right winger.
Team Messi 3, 2, 1. Goal Mbappe. 1. Oh my God.
भाई याद रखना, he does not defend. Mbappe does not defend. That's all I'm saying.
ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है.
Team Messi gets Mbappe.
जो फुल बैक को सेंटर बैक खिला रहे हैं वो नहीं बोले.
Team Messi
We'll
gets
see.
स्ट्राइकर के प्रेस में बात कर रहे हैं.
spinning the wheel for the new position. अब मामला इतना sweaty हो चुका है कि माहौल पूरा बेबी. अब घुमाओ कती. आओ. क्या इस पे कॉपीराइट आएगा वैसे?
नहीं आएगा. चलो.
We have attacking midfield again. Attacking midfield again, and the player we have available is Cole Palmer.
स्किप तीनों दोनों पे मिडफील्डर.
तीन बार रिपीट हो चुका है.
तुम्हारा हो गया ना मिडफील्डर.
क्या
हो चुका.
ना ना क्यों
अच्छा,
करो बिड करो.
Cole Palmer for 75 million euros. Cole Palmer for 75 million euros.
75.
75 मिलियन.
भाई इनके और ध्यान चुका.
75 डाली हमने.
कोल पाल्मर.
75 million Cole Palmer. Team Messi wants. Wow, you have Palmer, you have Mbappe, you have Florian Wirtz.
Yes.
Oh my God.
We have Valverde.
Oh my God.
We have Enzo Fernandez.
Oh.
Chelsea conference league खेल रहे हैं. They want to play conference league.
We have two center backs. We have two center backs. At least we are happy about it.
But you have a goalkeeper. You have no goalkeeper अभी कोई बात नहीं. AMF Cole Palmer 75 million to Team Messi 3, Team Messi 2.
We want मतलब तू कर ले.
Team Messi 1 sold Cole Palmer.
Congratulations.
To team. But क्या moving on to the next. We spin the wheel again. अब मामला ऐसा कि भाई अब मौत और जीना basically, life or death basically. We have right wing again. Right wing तीसरी बारी आ रही है.
This is the last time.
Right wing तीसरी बारी आ रही है. Okay, we can pick right winger again for the last time, and the player we have available is Federico Chiesa. Federico.
No issue.
तो हम लोग पाल्मर ले लिया.
50 million euros. That's a Euros winner. He's a Euros winner.
हाँ तो हमने पाल्मर ले लिया भाई. हमने पाल्मर ले लिया.
Okay, they have Cole Palmer. They want to play Cole Palmer right wing.
या फ्लोरेंट वर्ट्स भी खिला सकते हैं.
Fair. You don't want team.
We don't want.
Of course.
They don't have
money.
140 million.
अभी दिखा चल. क्या डाउनफॉल हुआ है?
मैंने यही लिखा था.
एक टाइम पे लड़का यूरोस विनर था, स्पगेटी माफिया था. अब बैंच तो स्पगेटी को मुक्ता नहीं. बट कोई बात नहीं दोस्तों. Moving on to a new position. We spin the wheel again. अब मामला tense है.
Come on.
And the player we get is a left center back. Left center back. Left center back. किसके back नहीं complete नहीं? Complete.
हमारे नहीं complete है.
You also don't have a.
We have complete.
But we play Nuno Mendes वहाँ पे.
ना right. We are playing right left winger.
Okay, तो center back जो available है left center back is Dean Howson for 60 million.
60
million.
Dean Howson, he's a good player. He joins Madrid, but he's not proven अभी भी.
हाला Madrid.
60 million Dean Howson 3.
60 million.
60 million Dean Howson. He's a ball king, chunky. He loves carrying the ball.
Yeah, we don't care.
60 million.
Chunky,
3.
come on.
60 million.
60 million. One and sold. Dean Howson goes. A young prodigy, a young centre back who's played for Juventus. पता नहीं कौन सी टीम मेरे दोस्त को. Of course, he joins Real Madrid, of course, and he joins team Messi, Divyansh और Messi. Moving on to the new position. ठीक है? We spin the wheel again. मैं तब कोई intense background music आ रही है जहाँ पे मैं यहाँ से निकल रहा हूँ. क्योंकि now we have center midfield again and we won't do center midfield again.
I think we have got last center midfield क्योंकि ये 5 बार आ चुका है. Technically 6 बार आना चाहिए.
ठीक है.
छठा एंड
तो
लास्ट.
सेंटर मिडफील्ड को हम 6 बारी अलाउ करेंगे स्पिन करने के लिए बिकॉज़ 3 पोजीशंस ऑफ कोर्स. सेंटर मिडफील्ड में नाउ वी हैव ऑप्शन. क्रिटिकल टाइम. हु नीड्स अ मिडफील्डर? हु नीड्स अ मिडफील्डर?
अरे दोनों.
I think we all do.
Who needs a midfielder?
We might.
You might because the midfielder जो अवेलेबल है is Vitinha for 70 million euros.
This is the last midfielder.
That's the last midfielder. That's the last
भाई
midfielder in the market. Vitinha.
जिनकी टीम ही नहीं कंप्लीट होती दिख
He
रही है.
controls the game, he controls the tempo, and he controls Portugal and PSG, मेरे दोस्तों. That's a top player. Vitinha.
बस हमारी कंप्लीट है.
70 million. They don't want Vitinha and Team Ronaldo. Do you want Vitinha? Vitinha 3, 2, and none of the team want Vitinha.
They've got better players.
God. ठीक है. तो भाई अब हमारे पास only 5 positions बची हैं. We have a goalkeeper, a left back, a centre forward, a left winger, and एक attacking midfielder.
Yes.
ठीक है. Team Ronaldo needs 1 player. Team Messi needs
4 players.
4 players. अभी भी मामला काफी complicated.
3 players. 3 players.
3 players. Okay, I'm sorry for being a judge जो dehydrated है. But कोई बात नहीं दोस्तों. We spin the wheel again दोस्तों. We spin the wheel again and we get a goalkeeper. We get a goalkeeper and the goalkeeper जो available है on the market right now is Gigi Donnarumma for 80 million euros. We got 75 for
80 million.
80 million.
Or
कहाँ खिलाएगा मैच Donnarumma को?
भाई कहाँ से करोगे?
डबल पेमेंट खेल सकता है.
They have to play someone else in the goalkeeper position.
80 million. ये टीम Messi
ठीक है.
wants.
We might
You
also.
can't.
I think we are bidding a perfect.
अरे they already have a goalkeeper. How can they bid for it? It's a single position ना.
We can. They can. What do you mean? What do you mean?
They can play Donnarumma as a number 9, you know.
Donnarumma से better keeper.
We can put some
keeper
headers in
तो
the
हुआ ना तो दूर दूर से गोल जाता है. जो पता है ना.
But क्या?
Yeah,
Keeper is that
keeper,
important.
yeah.
कीपर चाहे गंदा
और
player आगे
Donnarumma
खेल सकता है, keeping
team
पे
Messi को चाहिए for 80 million 3, 80 million 2 and 80
Ran.
million.
Trust me.
One sold.
We have a good team.
Donnarumma.
We have a good team anyway.
Come on.
Donnarumma, team Messi को मिलता है Donnarumma. That's a top goalkeeper delivery. How do you feel about Alex Donnarumma?
भाई he has been like उसका इतना बेहतरीन सीजन जा रहा है भाई. I'm so happy.
Trust me.
That's a good.
like अगर कोर्टो अवेलेबल होता तो मैं आता, but कोर्टो अगर आवा फिर मेरे को Donnarumma.
That's a top decision team. Divyansh
He
and
was my
Mohit.
like top 2.
Now मेरे दोस्तों, we have only 4 positions left. No goalkeeper, left back, centre forward, left winger, and attacking midfielder. We spin the wheel again. Whew. 2 positions for them, 1 for you. This is what we want, and we get a left back.
Okay.
Left
Come on,
back.
bring it on.
Damn, left
we have
back.
the two there.
And the available left back in the market.
तो अच्छे बोल चुका, अब तो एक खुद ही
Right
बोलेगा.
now
It makes
is-
sense, एक खुद ही बोलेगा until he is biased. अब तो खुद ही बोलेगा bro.
The left
Nuno
back
Ball.
available right now is Fran Garcia for
I told you bro, trust the process.
45
Trust the process.
You know what? Lamine is
Fran
eating
Garcia
5 goals.
for 45 million euros. Fran Garcia.
So they decide who they play against Lamine Yamal and Hakimi. Lamine Yamal and Hakimi. Oh my God. They're gonna take turns, bro. Like, you know, one is gonna do and another. Oh my God. Nah. Nasty.
But judge, you are getting manipulated.
I'm not. This is what I
You are getting
मेरे
manipulated.
चश्मों के फ्रेम में गजनी की तरह कुछ चीजें आ रही
Why you
हैं.
are getting manipulated? Why we are already seeing यहाँ पर behind the curtains क्या चल रहा है भाई?
मेरी जेब खाली.
Why you are getting
मेरी
manipulated?
जेब खाली.
Behind the curtains बातें चल रही
Are
हैं.
we-
लेके जाया जा रहा है भाई.
Are we skipping left back team Messi?
बराबर का बजट है.
Fran Garcia plays for Real Madrid. You're a Madrid fan.
Yes.
Fran Garcia.
He makes. You want Fran Garcia?
Same
45
है.
million.
Calculate कर ले दोबारा. गणित.
45 million.
45 million. Fran Garcia 3. Fran Garcia 2. Fran Garcia 1. Sold Fran Garcia. 45 million to team Messi. Now they have a left
140,
back.
140.
Mr. YJ, Mr. Just Saab, we now sit with one player requirement and more budget than them.
Oh my goodness gracious me. You know what? अगर मुझे इतनी मैच होती मैं यहाँ पे नहीं होता दोस्तों. This is crazy action. This is crazy. Hold on. Now we have only 3 positions left. अब मैं wheel नहीं घुमाने वाला. By the way, there's no wheel. This is crazy. Fuck the wheel. Okay.
Fuck the wheel.
Now we have 3 positions. Okay. सब मेरे मूड पर डिपेंड करता है. You know what? जब बोर्ड के पेपर्स चेक करते हैं तो it depends कि कितना समोसा उनको मिला खाने को.
Exactly.
उसके बेसिस पे they check marks.
Exactly,
I do
भाई.
the same. Who is feeding me food?
It ain't sponsored,
And
bro.
I don't eat drink unhealthy चीजें.
कैसे हो रहा है?
That is minus.
कैसे-
Oh my God! They are feeding me coke. How do you do coke?
भाई
Are they sponsoring Chaos Club?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay. The player that is next coming, the position that is next coming is left winger. And when I say left winger, जो कभी जो एक sorry, we need some यहाँ पे coke. But when I say left winger, मेरे दोस्तों, I say none other than the young French prodigy Desiree Doué. Desiree Doué for 65 million euros. Desiree Doué, Champions League finalist.
This is the
Top player.
last left winger.
This is the last.
this is the first one.
This is the
This is the
first
first
one.
one. First one.
This is,
Okay,
This
cool,
is not the last left winger. We will get more left wingers, मेरे दोस्तों. But Desiree Doué, Neymar, they say. Team Ronaldo, do you want Neymar का region?
65 million.
65 million. Desiree Doué, is it? No. What? He's a Champions League.
Finalist.
Maybe a winner.
Probable.
भाई जिनके पास प्लेयर ही नहीं है वो
Team
तो
Ronaldo
बोल नहीं
3,
रहे।
team
कुछ
Ronaldo
प्लेयर ही नहीं है
2.
कुछ प्लेयर ही नहीं है
कोई
तुमने
दिक्कत
Team Messi, क्या तुमको चाहिए? क्या तुमको चाहिए?
नहीं चाहिए.
वही move.
Oh my God, भाई. नेमार की आत्मा रो रही है भाई. ये देखिए. We cut Desiree Doué. He is not available indicated now. We don't spin the wheel. The next position जो available है is center forward.
Okay.
Center forward available.
Last center
and
forward.
we go the center
तुम्हारा
forward.
एक प्लेयर बचा है ना?
Yes, the last center
Team
forward.
Ronaldo already has Isaac.
Yeah.
Team Messi do not have a center
Mbappe.
forward.
Mbappe.
They have Mbappe. They can play him left wing also.
हाँ तो वही है ना.
Because now the player they get is Erling Haaland. Erling Haaland for 110 million euros. 110 million euros Erling Haaland. क्या टीम रोनाल्डो wants to do anything? So discuss करो about Haaland, उसकी चोटी and उसकी looks and
We are discussing
best goal scorer in the world with currently the best creator in the world.
We are only playing one player out of the
Position.
Erling Haaland, मेरे दोस्तों.
120. Haaland.
Oh my God! I think that's a strong decision by Team Messi. They want Haaland. They already have Mbappe. I think that is overpowered. Haaland and Mbappe in the same team. Can it happen? 120 million. 3,
Careless.
2,
Couldn't careless.
1, and scored! Haaland!
Yes!
Messi! Oh my God! You can see दोनों के teams and
Come on!
भाई, who's creating chances for who?
Exactly भाई. और
Who's
ऊपर
creating
से
chances
भाई.
for who?
we said
This ain't FIFA. This is not FIFA.
They have Lamine Yamal. They have Nuno Mendes. They have Hakim.
Don't
एक minute.
They are
Who the hell is Florian Wirtz and Cole Palmer then?
We'll see.
Right, they are
We'll
fully
see.
rattled by our team.
We'll see.
I
हमने
see
एक बार
you,
इनकी
it's
टीम के नाम
a
लिए।
we'll see top
यही
top
नंबर
teams.
है।
I see two बहुत ज़्यादा top teams.
भाई
you know.
ईगो
I
वाले
hope they
प्लेयर
play
लेते हैं.
center.
ego.
Of course.
They have Lamine Yamal.
Now
they
मेरे
have
दोस्तों
everyone.
मामला critical हो चुका है. Center forward we can't get any more. है ना? We can't get any more. Left fingers are available 2 बारी.
Yup.
And attacking midfielder only 1 बारी.
Yup.
The next player we get is a left winger again.
Okay.
The left winger जो available है market में right now is a guy who never stops smiling, Rafael Leao, for 90 million euros. Last left winger, Rafael Leao.
Left winger, no?
Last
Rafael Leao. You have left winger as Nuno Mendes.
लास्ट नहीं सेकंड है सेकंड.
Second last.
Second last for example. Left winger we have got Rafael Leao. Team Ronaldo or Team Messi. Team Messi is very comfortable.
हमारी टीम भी पूरी हो गई भाई हमारी।
तुम्हारी कितने पोजीशन बची?
अरे हमारी टीम
हमारी
भी
टीम
done हो
पूरी हो
गई.
गई।
11 हो गए.
We have utilized the budget as per us.
तुम्हारे 11 हो गए? अच्छा होगा ठीक है. तो मैंने बोला तो नहीं मैं तुझे. तुमने बोला था.
हाँ बोला था हम और कूद क्यों रहे थे?
अच्छा ठीक है. Left winger Rafael Leao, Team Ronaldo. Do you want him? Rafael Leao 3 for 90 million. Rafael Leao 2 and we skip Rafael Leao. He's not smiling anymore. Now दोस्तों we have only Team Ronaldo needing one player and the player जो available है and comes again is an attacking midfielder. And when we talk about attacking midfielder, we bring Bruno Fernandes for 70 million euros. Bruno Fernandes. We won't get an attacking midfielder. Bruno Fernandes. That's again. If you can question, what is the top?
The irony is now nobody is saying who's missing. बीच में किला गई थी.
Team Ronaldo. What do you want to say? क्या कहना चाह रहे हो? Again, we can't have Bellingham because he is busy with his job.
Okay, please.
What do you mean? That's a valid excuse.
But we have no that has Lamine Yamal, Ashraf Hakimi.
But excellent job. Are we selling Bruno Fernandes 70 million?
अभी तक फ्रांस लड़ते कैसे hold up होगा?
70 million 3, 2,
हम तो नहीं बोले.
1. Do you want him?
Yes, of course.
Sold 70 million and we have both teams complete. Can we have Talia for both?
इसकी 15 गोल.
Talia. Now,
That was a nice competition, but congratulations on losing.
but excellent.
वो दिख रहा है लेफ्ट विंग. वो लिख रहा है लेफ्ट विंग.
क्या I want Captain Mohawk. He was the captain. Captain Mohawk to please recite your team position by position.
Okay.
आपकी टीम का 4-2-3-1 formation.
4-2-3-1 फॉर्मेशन है. Donnarumma as the goalkeeper. Carvajal as the right back.
Okay.
You know, 2-time Champions League winner 4 सालों के अंदर, एक बार यूरोज विनर. Virgil van Dijk as the captain and the centre back. Then Dean Huijsen, the latest signing made by Real Madrid. Prodigy.
Okay,
Then left back थोड़ा सा
We have the weak point.
कमजोर है. Ferran Garcia. But pivot off Federico Valverde and Enzo Fernandez. Conference League जहाँ पर फाइनल में गोल स्कोर किया है.
Conference.
Yes.
शर्मा जी
जो शर्मा की क्या बात है? शर्मा की क्या बात है? Then the creator of this team, one of the creator, Cole Palmer as the number 10. Then wide flank पे Florian Wirtz and Mbappe. And the number 9 is Erling Broth Haaland.
And now the captain of Team Ronaldo, Mark Rooney, please recite your team.
So we have in goal Alisson Becker, top goalkeeper. Our right back is the best right back in the world right now, Ashraf Hakimi.
Champions League final.
Our left back is the third best left back in the world right now, Alejandro Balde. Our centre back, left centre back, is arguably the best centre back this season, Inigo Martinez. Our right centre back is playing the Champions League final this season, Marquinhos. Our double pivot in the midfield has got Kimmich, reliable, with the best midfielder in the world, Pedri. Our number 10 is none other than the carrier of Manchester United, the burden carrier of the red slavery, Bruno Fernandes. Our right winger is the best player in the world, Lamine Yamal. Our left winger is little out of position, but capable of doing it. But he's capable of doing it.
Exactly.
We have got Nuno Mendes.
He's faster than their left winger.
Whoa. And in strike, we have got Isak.
Okay.
भाई they have a banger of a team. But
And
अगर
70 million.
हर प्लेयर के बाद अगर एक लाइन का कॉम्प्लीमेंट हाउ डेस्परेट दे आर टू प्रूव
That they are the best. Exactly.
हर प्लेयर की
हर
लाइन
player
के
के
बाद
बाद
अगर आपको बताना पड़ता है
Justify करना
how
पड़ेगा।
Bro, you know
Justify
Chat.
करना पड़ेगा।
The balance of this
Exact
team.
balance are
The
the
balance of this team.
अगर लमीन डिफेंड नहीं
ऑर्डर
करेगा
चेक को डिसाइड करने देते हैं।
Order.
Okay.
Can I say order?
Yes.
निकल गया मेसी।
Hold on. Yeah, this is. I can't do it यहाँ पे. Camera. I can't do it यहाँ पे Messi. Come on, camera. Okay. It's okay. I'm not coming to Los Angeles. What do you mean? I'm not coming to Los Angeles. Yeah, you're just talking bullshit. Yeah. Rondo, you know what? I think comment section. You decide किसकी team better. Team Ronaldo, team Messi, मार्का और चौंकी की team या फिर दिव्यांश and one MUFC मोहक सर की team. As a judge, my opinion of the winning team is Team Messi. मेरे ख्याल से they win and
Real Madrid bias, bro.
only मेरे ख्याल से they win, you know. Because I
Carvajal,
think the reason,
Fran Garcia,
I see a lot of steel. I see a lot of creativity of Waits and Palmer.
Carvajal, Fran Garcia, Mbappe, Palmer, who's defending?
Who's defending? But hold on.
Hakimi, Nuno Mendes, Balde, Lamine Yamal.
All I see is that team Ronaldo is better. Team Ronaldo is better. They have Lamine Yamal and they have
Pedri.
And इसी के साथ अब तुम मारने आ रहे हो. And इसी के साथ मारने
ये गवर्नमेंट
इधर आ जाओ.
तुम नहीं आओगे. तुम बहुत फंसा रहे हो. तुम्हारे पैसे हैं मेरे पास.
फ्रॉड्स
पैसे
You know we
फ्रॉड्स
We win.
भाई
We win.
दिस इज निगराना 2.0 दिस इज निगराना 2.0
You decide who wins. You know, chat. आपके पास है the ball knowledge.
हालेंड
Which they don't.
फ्लोरिन विट्स कोल पार्मर एंजो फर्नांडिस वेलवर्डे
Trying to
Come on.
Best players don't lead the